Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at gold. Okay, so this has been under pressure for some time. Now we're trading down into this key area here, this red candle back over here. And definitely this is a bearish trend, and I'm looking for an entry point short. So what we'll do is we'll just go down to the 4-hour time frame. I'll get a bit closer to this. I'm probably going to consider a short up in around this level, and I'll explain why. First up, let's just mark this up. Distribution on the 4-hour time frame. What we do have here is this thin candle. If we mark that up, take the candle low on the left, the candle high on the right, bearish imbalance. I'm thinking if we see this spike back up into this area here, I'd be really interested in shorting this. You know, I mean, I would even go, see these lows back over here? I would even go, I mean, something like that. Stop, yeah, wide stop it. Go for broke with the risk reward. I think there's definitely more downside in play potentially. So we've got these levels down in here. We could go for something like that. And I'm always looking to take most of my position off early. So I think that's my setup for gold, guys. It's just a short and sweet today. Trades back up in there. I'll be looking to sell, and I invite you to click the link below, join our Telegram, and check out my website. What else can I say? I don't mind that setup, and that's it in a nutshell, guys. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.